If you're not that adventurous but still want to experience the fresh waters of Sual's mountains, Camagsingalan Dam is the place for you. The ride to Camagsingalan Dam takes at least 25 minutes. Take a tricycle for 300 pesos rent at the town plaza and just tell the driver your destination. The dam generally supplies Barangay Camagsingalan and Barangay Sisilangin. It's best to visit the place from the months of June to September where the water is overflowing. Before coming home from your Sual adventure, don't forget to add this place to your itinerary, because what better way to end the day than to take a dip in the waters of Camagsingalan Dam and play!